Fatty liver disease is a condition induced by storing excess fat in your liver. Most patients have no specific signs, and it doesn't generate severe problems for them. In some cases, though, it can cause liver damage. The good news is you can prevent or even reverse the fatty liver condition with lifestyle changes if you diagnose it in its early stages. Here are 6 symptoms of fatty liver problems that can help you diagnose this problem. Stick around to the end. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is a term for some of the liver diseases involving individuals who drink little to no alcohol. As the name suggests, the main feature of NAFLD is too much fat accumulated in liver cells. NAFLD is increasingly expected around the globe, particularly in Western nations. It is the most common type of chronic liver condition in the US, involving about 1/4 of the population. Some people with NAFLD can generate non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, an aggressive form of fatty liver condition, which is characterized by liver inflammation and may go to advanced scarring, cirrhosis, and liver failure. This impairment is just like the damage caused by heavy alcohol consumption. These days, we are witnessing a rising tide of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, worldwide. In easy terms, NAFLD is an accumulation of extra fat in liver cells, taking up around 10% of the whole organ. NAFLD is now the most common cause of chronic liver disease in some regions. In the UK, as high as 1 in 3 are estimated to be living with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Symptoms. Number 6. Weight in your belly. Overweight people are at a higher risk of NAFLD. A BMI of over 30 greatly associates with the prevalence of NAFLD. If you have visible belly fat showing you a bigger gut, then it is time to modify your lifestyle to decrease the extra fat. Number 5. High cholesterol levels. Cholesterol and liver health have long been connected with the irregular functioning of the liver influencing cholesterol levels and vice versa. So, if you've recently been diagnosed with high cholesterol levels, it may be worth looking at how your liver works. Number 4. High blood pressure. Analyses have demonstrated a raised risk of hypertension for those suffering from NAFLD. One certain study accomplished by German researchers examined data from over 3,000 individuals and found that people with NAFLD were 4 times more likely to have hypertension than people who didn't have the disorder. Frequent monitoring of blood pressure could assist you in identifying any potential heart health problems as well as liver diseases. Number 3. Pain in the upper right belly. Potentially the most obvious symptom of a strained liver, though unlikely to occur in the early days of liver damage. If you are undergoing any pain in the upper right stomach regularly, we suggest you visit your doctor before going for too long. Number 2. Constant tiredness. Tiredness and weakness are signs of many various diseases. However, if you are feeling fatigued and weak along with some of the symptoms mentioned earlier, it could be a consequence of poor liver health. Number 1. Binge eating. If you are always feeling hungry or craving sugar every day, it could be an early symptom of liver impairment. Researchers based at the German Diabetes Center found that people who ate a meal high in saturated fat even once experienced a rapid boost in their body's fat collection as well as alterations in their liver's metabolic function. These alterations have a considerable effect on how we feel hunger. While it's necessary to stop binge eating, it is also essential to get your liver health checked out, too, if that is a contributory element. Other symptoms of fatty liver. Fatty liver can advance through 4 stages. Simple fatty liver. There's a buildup of extra fat in the liver. Simple fatty liver is mostly harmless if it doesn't advance. Steatohepatitis. In addition to extra fat, there's also inflammation in the liver. Fibrosis. Continuous inflammation in the liver has now generated scarring. However, the liver can still typically work normally. Cirrhosis. Scarring of the liver has become common, damaging the liver's ability to work. This is the most dangerous stage and is irreversible. Both AFLD and NAFLD reveal symptoms similarly. However, In many patients, the fatty liver generates no noticeable signs. But you may feel tired or experience discomfort in the upper right side of your stomach. Some individuals with fatty liver conditions develop difficulties, such as liver scarring. Liver scarring is also known as liver fibrosis. If you have severe liver fibrosis, it's known as cirrhosis. This potentially life-threatening disease can lead to liver failure. The liver impairment due to cirrhosis is permanent. That's why preventing it from developing in the first place is essential. Cirrhosis may lead to symptoms like abdominal pain, weight loss, loss of appetite, itchy skin, weakness or fatigue, yellow skin and eyes, confusion, nausea, easy bruising or bleeding, breast enlargement in men, pale stools, dark-colored urine, fluid accumulation in the abdomen, ascites, web-like clusters of blood vessels under your skin, swelling, edema, of your legs. To help stop the fatty liver from advancing and causing complications, it's necessary to follow your doctor's suggested treatment plan. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. What is the liver's function? Your liver is a vital organ with numerous life-supporting roles. The liver creates bile, which assists with digestion, makes proteins for the body, converts nutrients into energy, supplies iron, helps you fight infections by producing immune factors and flushing out bacteria and toxins, substances that can damage your body, from your blood, makes substances that help your blood clot, attach together to heal wounds. Why is fatty liver condition bad? In most patients, the fatty liver doesn't cause any severe issues or prevent your liver from working normally. But for 10% to 30% of individuals with the disease, fatty liver disease worsens over time. It advances through 3 stages. Your liver becomes inflamed, swollen, which damages its tissue. This stage is called steatohepatitis. Scar tissue shapes where your liver is impaired. This process is called fibrosis. Extensive scar tissue replaces healthy tissue. At this point, you have cirrhosis of the liver. What causes fatty liver disease? Some individuals get fatty liver conditions without having any pre-existing diseases. But these risk factors make you more likely to develop it. Being overweight or obese, having metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and high triglyceride levels, having type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, taking some prescription drugs, like amiodarone, diltiazem, tamoxifen, or steroids. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.